As a seller in New York City, your closing costs are substantial and can end up costing you 8 to 10% of your sale price. It comes as no surprise that the largest closing cost for sellers in New York City is the traditional 6% broker commission. Fortunately, New York City homeowners have a number of ways to either eliminate or significantly reduce the customary 6% broker fee when selling. At Hauseit, we offer two solutions for sellers who don't want to pay 6%. Sellers can save up to 6% by listing FSBO through our New York City flat fee MLS listing package. Our agent-assisted FSBO service gives your home the same exposure to unrepresented and represented buyers as what a traditional listing agent offers. You maintain full control of the sale process. Sellers who don't have time to sell for sale by owner can save thousands by listing with a full-service REBNY-member listing agent in New York City for just 1% commission through Hauseit. Our 1% full-service listing option is identical in every way to the level of service you'd expect if you paid 6%. So, what are closing costs for sellers in New York City? Closing costs in New York City for sellers include the traditional 6% New York City broker fee, New York City and New York State transfer taxes of 1.4 to 1.825%, a flip tax for co-ops ranging anywhere from a few $1,000s up to 3%, seller attorney fees as well as miscellaneous items such as move-out, managing agent, and bank loan satisfaction fees. If you are considering selling in New York City, we highly encourage you to consider listing FSBO or using our 1% full-service listing option in order to reduce your closing costs and maximize your proceeds from the sale.